Welcome to DMC Fails. The most tragic car crashes and idiots in car will be in today's episode. Thrilling yet educational. Buckle up and join us.
Whether or not, something else. Oh my!
Luckily, the gas station did not explode and everyone was safe.
There was. Hold on.
I'm good.
No one would believe it if there were no camera recording. Thank God, everyone is okay. For the sake of everyone's safety, never run a red light, no matter how much of a hurry you are in. According to the report, the truck driver was live streaming while driving. Thankfully, everyone survived. Please focus when driving. The man later faced multiple charges after allegedly intentionally crashing his SUV into a police station while shouting the song "Welcome to the Jungle." The driver was injured but not life-threateningly. He has certainly learned a costly lesson. Unbelievably, he was completely unscathed. His face probably reflected the emotions of all of us. I couldn't believe my eyes. This truly is a miracle.
It's 15E blocks the left lane on the ramp for exit 15E. And a couple of problems on the crash. 2 lanes are knocked out. And westbound at Coney Island Avenue, there's an accident. 11 minutes from 1 and 9. This report is brought to you by Timeshare Exit Team.
Sentence have to be so hard. I did such a week without this.
Thankfully, there were no major injuries, only a few bruises. Please be careful. 4 people escaped serious injuries. However, I think we should call 911 instead of recording a video. I am truly grateful and admire the brave and kind-hearted individuals who have promptly saved others in critical situations. Assuming he had succeeded, how much time would he have saved? 3 seconds or 5 seconds? I don't think it's enough to take such a risk. Drive safely. You can see the terrifying power of nature. Please stay safe. I hope all drivers respect everyone on the road, the rule of the road, the benefit of life. Oh my God. Luckily, the car didn't fall on anyone.
Holy crap!
Who do you think is at fault? If you think it's the driver, please comment 1. If you believe it's the biker, comment 2. If you look closely, you can see the pickup truck being towed behind the RV. That was the cause of the accident. An insulation panel fell onto the road, causing the K5 car to stop abruptly. The dump truck behind was unable to react in time. This is why we must maintain a safe distance when driving on the road. The biker's reflexes were amazing. He saved himself. It seems the driver encountered an obstacle on the road. When approaching an intersection, slow down because many unexpected things can happen. Here's another example showing that you must drive carefully in unfavorable weather conditions. The driver's distraction led to an accident, injuring 3 people. Please slow down and pay more attention while driving. Oh, you parked in the wrong spot, my friend.
Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa, y'all. Whoa, there it goes, there it goes. Oh my gosh.
Do you think the truck driver was distracted? He had enough time to avoid the collision. A minor situation on the road escalated tension between the 2 drivers. Stay calm, everyone. The car skidded, leading to an accident that left 3 people dead and 7 others injured. Please drive safely. Never try to cut in front of a truck. It's very dangerous. Thank you for watching video today about 50 crazy moments car crashes of idiots in cars. Hope you have taken lessons to drive more safely. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please like and share it with others. But don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Of course, if you have any feedback, let us know in the comments below. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.